creating light. Actually, hard protecting my family. Yeah, now everyone gets killer doppelgangers.
Look at that.
That's alright. The decoys know they're decoys. They wouldn't be very good decoys if they did some.
So we have quite a bit of room there. That's going to be the chain at its widest. So we should be close, real close, but we got it. This is the new look to deal with the height without making it look silly. Supposed to be at the shop today, but instead we've taken it off, and I think it's because Jackson sent me a package. Look at that. I got a cashier's check and what looks to be a Rick and Morty belt.
No.
Thank you, Jackson.
Dibs.
No, I've never had a
As the rain approaches, act like you don't know.
Wow.
And you hope it will.